Welcome back at 7:45. Back in March, the strongest tornado in New Orleans history ripped through St. Bernard and Orleans parishes. Because of this, many homes and businesses were damaged or destroyed. Now people in St. Bernard Parish want to show off how they've recovered and some of the new homes they've built. Here to talk with us about the recovery showcase is St. Bernard Parish Councilman Gillis McCluskey. Good morning. How you doing?
Morning, Rob. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thanks for joining us this morning. Look, I remember vividly that morning in the dark, watching the sun come up and seeing just the devastation that had impacted Arabi in that area there. Just absolutely incredible. And when you see something like that, you think initially there's no way you can recover from something like that.
It was unlike anything I'd ever seen. Yeah. To see devastation that complete, I think we've all here in Louisiana been through many, many hurricanes, and we're accustomed to seeing that type of damage, specifically flood damage. Mm-hmm. But, what Mother Nature can do it's truly awe. It's unbelievable.
And this is remarkable here. I want to show you this video. This was the video that I was telling you about there. You see this home, looks like something took a bite out of that rooftop there. This was the day of, and then boom, this is now the same house. It's remarkable to see how quickly some of these homes, some of these homeowners have recovered. Obviously, there's still some vacant lots here and there.
Sure.
The pace is quick, but it's not lightning speed for some. But you're seeing so much come back so quickly. What do you attest that to?
We have a great network in St. Bernard Parish. Obviously, parish leadership has been, really, really aggressive about making sure we get the cleanup and things like that done. But it's really a testament to the residents, their spirit, the contractors. I think the untold story about the tornado itself is we had like a real estate renaissance in St. Bernard over the last 6 years. And a lot of the residents who had moved in and bought homes there, they hadn't really had a chance to experience what the community does in crisis. And, in speaking with a lot of them, I think the overwhelming, idea is that they would never move away from this community, having reached the support, received the support that they had from their neighbors and the community as a whole. So it was really inspiring.
It absolutely speaks to the strength of the community there in St. Bernard Parish, and you guys are going to show it off with
Absolutely.
The Parade of Homes, right?
Yep, so tomorrow, October 15th, from 11 to 4 p.m., we're going to be displaying some of these homes that we've built in St. Bernard Parish. They're beautiful homes, affordable. I think that we have some of the most competitive homes on the market. We have lots of oversized lots and things of that nature. And, the community is thriving. I make no mistake about it, disasters, the operative word in disaster recovery is disaster, right? So there are some individuals and circumstances that are injured, but overall the community is thriving, and we're doing quite well.
Well, we certainly are pleased to see it, especially not even a year later. Councilman, thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Rob, thank you so much for having us.
Absolutely.